looking for the Ocknock iron furnace, and we found this stone hand-built wall right here. That's pretty cool. Well, we found it. Our quest has been fulfilled. The Ocknock iron furnace. Look at that massive wall. This huge cutout area in front of it. And there's a canal over there where the barges must have came in. They got some slots down here. And over there. And they got this little square cutout opening. Don't know what any of this would be. Super impressive. Wow. There's a rock wall there. Comes around. I'm standing right on it. See, that's a rock wall there. I don't know what this giant cylindrical thing is. I'm thinking this is the barge canal that they dug to bring the ore in over the iron out. And the iron furnace up there. There's some giant bolts sticking out over there. Well, here's another piece of the puzzle. Oh, this is a baby compared to the first one.